Okay, Bharti definitely is going to be one stock in focus, and you heard it first on ET Now. Just yesterday, the ET Now newsbreak confirmed Carlyle is looking to pick up a 20% stake in Airtel's data center business. Pankaj joins in with more details. Pankaj, you reported the story to us yesterday itself. Walk us through the details of the deal.
So 25% is what Carlyle is picking up for slightly more than about $200 million. The valuation of the company is close to about $1.2 billion. Now, when we told you about the valuation of this company, it's Nxtra Data Center. It's a subsidiary of Bharti Airtel. And, scheme of things really don't change, if Bharti raises about $235 million. But what this essentially does is that it gives them a war chest once again, how they want to take their pricing strategy. Whatever happens on the AGR, they have a little bit of war chest for that as well. So overall, it just makes the balance sheet much more comfortable. Remember, Bharti has been on a fundraising spree. In Jan, they had a decent amount of QIP, which they did. Then the promoters sold about 8,000 odd crores, and now this leg of fundraising where Carlyle is being sold 25% stake. Bharti will continue to own 75% in Nxtra Data Center. Nxtra Data Center is one of the largest, when you talk about as far as, the entire data cloud space is concerned, as well as data centers is concerned. They have a lot of MNCs here into India, a lot of Indian companies for which they give data center services. So all of that is something which has attracted capital from Carlyle. And just talking about Carlyle as well, first they did Sequent Scientific deal, they acquired the company, then they pumped about $500 million into Piramal just last week, and this time around now you can see that another $250 million pumped into a data center. So they have also been on a spree of investments here in India.
Okay, Pankaj, we'll leave it at that. Bharti is going to be the stock to look out for after nudging that 570 rupee per share mark in trade yesterday itself. The other newsmaker today has been gold after hitting that high of $1,800 per ounce. And this after a long gap ever since